Hello, in this video I'll demonstrate how to properly prepare a 900 micron fiber and cleave the fiber to the correct length using the FBC007 high performance cleaver. For safety, I have my safety glasses, and before beginning, make a loop of tape for fiber disposal. Prior to preparing the fiber, please ensure that the high performance Unicam tool is properly loaded with the correct connector. This will enable installation of the fiber into the connector after cleaving, reducing the chance of contaminating the fiber prior to termination. Be sure to closely follow all recommended safety procedures when working with these tools and fiber products. Always wear glasses and safety gloves. The first step is to ensure that we have the proper handler installed into the FBC007 cleaver. For 900 micron termination, there should be a black handler with the numbers 900 facing up. As you can see, this one currently says 2.9 on it. Since the 900 micron handler is not installed in the tool, we're going to have to change out the handler so that the 900 micron is installed. The way we go about doing this is we're going to push this black lever located adjacent to the right of the red button. You should hear a click. We're going to ensure that the red and black buttons are fully depressed, and we're going to go ahead and open up the cleaver. 2.9 millimeter handler is currently installed. What we're going to do is we're going to pull it out. We're going to flip it over. On the other side, you'll see the numbering 900. Well, that's signifying the fact that this is for the 900 micron fiber. You're going to slide it back in, and you'll feel a magnet catch that will catch and pull the handler into place. That magnet will also hold it firmly in place during the cleaving process. Now the cleaver is ready for 900 micron fiber cleaving. All we're going to do is close it up. So you hear a click, we can tell it's properly closed in. Just put it down to the side, and we're going to go up and prepare our fiber. The first step for SC and ST compatible connectors is to slide the appropriate boot onto the 900 micron fiber. For LC connectors, you then need to ensure that you slide the back trigger guard of the LC connector onto the fiber next. If you put the boot on prior to putting the trigger guard on, you'll be unable to slide the trigger guard up onto the connector. We'll be installing this SC connector onto this 900 micron fiber. Using the strip length gauge and a retractable marker, we're going to place a mark 40 millimeters from the end of our fiber. For SC and ST compatible connectors, we're going to measure and place a visual mark on the buffer an additional 11 millimeters behind the mark we just placed. If we were using LC connectors, that mark would be 9 millimeters instead of 11. You'll now need your dual hole fiber stripping tool. As the name describes, this tool has 2 notches to make fiber stripping easier. The largest V notch is used to strip the 900 micron buffer off, while the smaller V notch is used to strip the 250 micron coating on the fiber on the inside. And now we're going to take our 900 micron fiber and we're going to place it in the larger V notch. We're going to close the tool until it completely closes and gently pull the coating off. Now we'll strip off the 250 micron acrylate coating. We're going to use a small V notch for this. Just lightly set it into the notch, close it down. Now we need to clean the fiber off. We're going to take one of our fiber wipes. We're going to take our fiber cleaning fluid. We're going to dampen the wipe and place it over the fiber and gently just clean the excess coating off. We're going to take a dry portion of the wipe and dry off the fiber. Be careful not to remove the 11 millimeter visual mark while cleaning off the fiber. Now it's time to cleave the prepared fiber. Holding the cleaver in our left hand, press both the red and black buttons and insert the fiber. As the fiber is inserted into the cleaver, it will reach a positive stop that prevents overfeeding of the fiber and sets the correct length for an 8.5 millimeter cleave. Once the positive stop is encountered, apply pressure until there is a slight bend in the fiber. Release both the black and red buttons and then release the pressure on the fiber. Press the red button once more to ensure the fiber is correctly oriented in the cleave position. Press the blue button on top of the cleaver once in order to cleave the fiber. You should hear a slight click when you press down on the blue button. Holding the fiber in your right hand, gently press down on the black button and remove the fiber. Our fiber is now ready for termination in the Unicam tool. After completing the termination of the fiber, remove the excess scrap fiber from the cleaver by pressing the red button and removing the scrap fiber. Please dispose of the fiber in a safe manner. We recommend placing on inverted tape roll. That's it. If you have any questions or recommendations for videos, call us or send us an email at cablesystems@corning.com. Remember, Corning Cable Systems recommends getting trained in fiber optic installation. We offer a series of classes. Thank you.